Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the vibrant world of watercolor painting with the Smallbudi Watercolor Paint Set. We discovered this fantastic product online, and we've included a link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability for yourself. Now, let's explore what makes this watercolor paint set special. The Smallbudi Watercolor Paint Set comes with a whopping 168 colors, which includes an impressive array of options: 84 regular colors, 48 metallic shades, 12 macaron hues, 12 candy colors, and 12 fluorescent tones. This expansive palette allows artists of all skill levels to express their creativity in countless ways. Whether you're looking to create a subtle landscape or a striking abstract piece, this set has you covered. But the Smallbudi Watercolor Paint Set isn't just about the variety of colors. It also includes all the essential accessories you need to get started right away. Inside the set, you'll find 8 watercolor brushes made from synthetic squirrel hair, ensuring excellent paint absorption for smooth application. Pair that with a 25-sheet watercolor paper pad featuring a cold-press texture, and you have the perfect foundation to bring your artistic visions to life. Additionally, the kit includes 6 water brush pens, a palette for mixing, a swatch sheet for color testing, sponges, a permanent marker, a pencil, eraser, sharpener, tape, and even a compact metal box for storage. The thoughtful inclusion of all these accessories means you won't have to run around gathering supplies. Everything you need is right in one compact kit. Now, who is this watercolor set suitable for? This set is ideal for a wide range of creative individuals. Beginners can use it to easily explore the basics of watercolor painting, while seasoned artists will appreciate the rich pigments and quality materials. It's perfect for adults looking to unwind with a relaxing hobby, as well as kids who are just starting their artistic journey. The non-toxic materials ensure that it's safe for everyone, providing peace of mind for parents. The Smallbudi Watercolor Paint Set is also incredibly versatile when it comes to practical use. Whether you're painting at home, taking your supplies to an art class, or enjoying a day outdoors sketching landscapes, this portable set is designed for convenience. The compact metal box with a lock keeps everything securely stored, and the included velvet bag makes it easy to transport. You can easily tuck it into a backpack or tote, allowing you to unleash your creativity anywhere, anytime. Plus, this set makes a thoughtful gift for friends or family members who enjoy art. Imagine giving them the opportunity to explore their creativity with such a comprehensive and vibrant watercolor set. It's a gift that encourages relaxation, self-expression, and artistic growth. In conclusion, the Smallbudi Watercolor Paint Set is a fantastic choice for anyone interested in watercolor painting. With 168 vivid colors and an abundance of accessories, it's perfect for both beginners and experienced artists. Whether for personal use or as a gift, this set